Now you will learn how to use Coinbase wallet. Make sure that you are using the right wallet that has more than 10 million downloads, because there are surely a lot of scam wallets that are trying to steal money from complete beginners. And first, let me give you some background. What is this Coinbase wallet and who is it for? It's a simple crypto wallet that you can use on any device you want. Notice that this Coinbase wallet is different than, for example, the Coinbase app and Coinbase account right here, because when you are using the wallet, you will have control of your own keys, which means that you don't need anybody's permission to send money, but you have also the responsibility. This wallet is not for storing large amounts of money, because this is not as safe as, for example, a hardware wallet or multi-key wallet. And I don't recommend that you do a lot of trading, even though you can do simple swaps right here, because you can avoid fees by using better platforms for trading. Now that you understand the basics of this wallet, let me show here the settings, more about the security. If you are wondering why the view looks different for you, you might be using this simple mode, which is perfect for beginners, but now I will show this normal mode because it has all the features available. Here you can see all the networks that this wallet supports, which is quite a lot of different chains and networks. Here you can take care of your security, you can back up your wallet, you can do a fingerprint verification, and you can also decide when to require unlock, for example, when opening an app, making a transaction, and also the other details. Here you can connect your Coinbase wallet to the Coinbase account, but keep in mind you still need to pay the fee if you want to transfer money between these two. Talking about transfers, let me show you immediately how you can deposit money. You can deposit money using fiat currencies, also known as government currencies such as dollars, euros, and other ones, by clicking here buy, and here you can choose what type of method do you want to use: credit or debit card, Google Pay, Revolut Pay, Pix, bank, Neteller, and also other third-party providers, and even a bank transfer in specific places. However, if you deposit fiat currencies, you often need to pay high fees, so that's why personally I prefer to use crypto deposit option to avoid those fees. So I will click here receive, and then I can choose here what currency I want to deposit. I will click here to search for assets, and I will type here BNB, and here I can choose in which network I want to transfer the BNB: Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum network, Polygon, Solana, and so many different ones. So now you need to be careful, and the most important thing you need to keep in mind: choose the same network here as in the place where you are withdrawing from. Let's go through that in practice so you understand. I choose right here BNB Smart Chain, then I will click here copy. It says copy to clipboard. Then I come to my BYBIT account. I will click here withdraw. Then I will choose here BNB, Binance Coin. I have pasted the address right here. And now I will triple check three things: coin, address, and the network. Then I will choose here the withdrawal amount, and I click here withdraw. I can still double check the things once more, and then I will click here confirm. While we are waiting for the withdrawal to go through, let me quickly show how you can find free tutorials for also the best crypto platforms in the world. I will leave you the first link right here in the description below the video, where you will get more than 20 apps to Bitcoin and crypto on your phone. It's a 100% free guide with free tutorials for our YouTube subscribers. And now let's have a look if the money has successfully arrived into my Coinbase wallet, and here it is. You can see I have received 0.1 BNB, exactly as I wanted. Now let me show how you can use this wallet in different ways. The first common option is of course using these swaps right here, where you can convert one currency to another. Let me for example convert some of that BNB that I just received into USDT. I will put here $10. I click here find the best price, and here it shows the details. Notice here that I need to pay the network fee, which is in this transaction almost 50 cents. So that's why I say that if you want to trade a lot, use other platforms that have even zero fees that you see on my YouTube channel. Anyways, I click here swap. I verify with my fingerprint, and you will see what happens. I receive more USDT. When I click here done, and I click here maybe later, and I come back to my wallet, you can see that I have received more USDT. Now let me show how you can withdraw from the Coinbase wallet even to your bank account. We will start with the easiest withdrawal method, which is withdrawing crypto. And I will convert this Tether back to BNB, and then I will show you the steps. I will click here send. Then I will choose how much money I want to send. Let's send, for example, $60. I click here next. Then I will copy paste an address right here. I will deposit the money to Binance this time. I click here deposit. Then I click here search. I type here BNB. I click here BNB. I click here BNB Smart Chain. I click here copy. Then I come back to my Coinbase wallet. I click here paste. Then I can verify all the details. Is it the right coin? BNB, is the network right? And the network fee is only 1 cent. Everything looks good. I click here confirm. You can see the money was successfully sent, and I will show you the proof when the money arrives. You can see it immediately deposit processing, and I will refresh this page when the money will be here. Meanwhile, we can start talking about how to withdraw fiat currencies into your bank account from the Coinbase wallet. One of the options is to click here cash out, and here it says that you are being redirected to transact to complete cash out process. Then you can click here continue, and it takes you to a third-party provider where you will need to pay relatively high fees, and it may not even work in your country. So that's why I want to show you another option, and that is found here on Binance. You can see the money has successfully arrived. I come here to home, and then I click here peer-to-peer, and here I click sell, and then I choose here what currency I want to receive. By clicking here on the top, you can see here numerous different government currencies worldwide. Then I choose what is my bank account. Then I choose one of these offers on the screen, and I click here sell and follow the steps and receive the money into bank. It's the biggest in the entire universe with tens of millions of users from all parts of our planet. Another alternative is of course the BYBIT that I showed you earlier. When I click here home and I click here more, you can see that they also have the peer-to-peer trading option right here. And here you are able to sell and then receive money into your bank. Now I have created dozens of peer-to-peer tutorials in total about BYBIT, Binance and other platforms, showing how you can send money into your bank from all of these crypto platforms easily. And if you want to see all of them for 100% free, you will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance, Ultimate Guide and more.